Allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is...
Yeah, good morning, viewer KG. What do we have here? Today I'll be working on this 2012 is a Dodge Journey. Apparently there's a heat coming out on the passenger side, and on the driver's side is blowing cold air. So we're gonna be replacing the blender of this vehicle. I'm gonna bring you to the passenger side first and show you where the blender is located. On the driver's side is kind of in a little hidden place. Please, if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. Support your boy in any way you can. I'm helping you to save money. The only thing you can do for me in return is support your boy. This is KG. It takes one to know one, takes two to tango. Having said that, let's go. We're getting it right now. So on the passenger side, if you look down here, you see, that's where the blender is located, on the passenger side. So to get here, to get to the passenger side right here, you just take off, there's a cover right here. Take off this guy right here, and then you'll be able to get down there. But let's go. So on the driver's side, when you come down here, you have to take off this panel. Let me show you. You gotta take off this guy right here. See this guy right here? You gotta take off that. There's a 210 bolt. Show you. There's a 10 bolt right here, and there's another one right here. So there's a clip right here. Apparently it was broken when I was trying to get that. You take off that. Once you take off that, right? So there is this guy right here. Let me show you. See this guy right here? This guy right here is gonna be hanging inside right here. So the only way you can take off this, you have to separate this guy. You have to separate it. You just take your time with it. It's very fragile. It can be broken. So you take off that guy. Once you take off, separate this guy, you can be able to take off this first, and you take off that. So now you are on a ball game. We are not there yet. So let me bring you underneath now. Show you where we're going next. So if you look down here, see right there? That's where you have the blender. See right there? Am I getting it? Try to get it. Okay, probably I can't go through here. It's okay. Okay. I'm not getting it. Okay. Anyway, you can be able. Let me come underneath. Okay, so when you look down there, see? That's a blender right there. The connector, everything is still there. So that's the guy we're trying to get to. See right there? I get a good view right there. Here. That's a blender. So that's where we're trying to get to. So I'm gonna get the screw and take it off, then I'll bring you guys back, KG. So this is the old one and this is the new one. You just have three screws. These are the screws right there. So this thing works very well, and you can use this short one as well. So we're going to transfer this guy now into that, and we'll put it back in there.